Hi everyone, my name is Knock, like knock knock. Welcome to my channel or whatever this will be, I don't know. I decided to start this YouTube thing. We will see. So today I decided to stop procrastinating and tackle this pile of clothing that I have. So what I usually do is buy things off the sales rack thinking, you know what, I can make this work. I need a little nip and tuck here and it will be okay and I'll wear it and it's fine. However, when I get home, they tend to just go die in this pile that I have. So today I decided to take them out and alter them to pieces that I want to love and wear and not have them stuck in the back closet and never seeing the light of day again. So let's get to it. So the first thing I have is this dress. It's cute. So the reason why I bought it in the first place is because I really like the mock neck. It's not the most trendy thing right now, but I still think it's cute. I got this probably like 4 years ago. And I wore it like once or twice. And the reason is because it is way too short. When I was in high school, your dress is too short. It is shorter than your fingertips. I'm not sure who came up with that because some people might have longer fingers than other people. I don't know. But this dress goes to my fingertip. I'm not saying I follow rules. I was a goody two-shoe, but it is pretty short. If I bend down, people probably see things they didn't want to see. So what I want to do this dress is to make it into a shirt. I'm gonna try to cut off this bottom half the skirt here and make another layer on top here, so it would have more poofiness on top here, and then hopefully that will also accentuate the waist. We'll see how that will happen. All right. To start, I carefully mark where I want the bottom of the shirt to be, and using a pair of fabric scissors, I cut off the bottom half of the skirt. For the detached piece, I cut off 1 inch so I can use it to attach the new layer to the shirt. If this doesn't make sense, just trust me on this. For the shirt, I hem the raw edge, cut off the excess fabric, and hem it again. Hemming it twice gives it more structure and life. For this piece, I gather it at the raw edge. If you're actually trying to make this, there are tons of YouTube tutorials out there on how to gather a piece of fabric. Once it's gathered, I attach it to the 1 inch strip I had cut out earlier, fold the strip, and sew it all together. And we're done. So here's the before, and here's the after. So this is how the shirt came out. I think it's super cute. It really made my waist look small. And there are 3 ways you can wear this. The first is just like this, more dramatic with both the layers on. And you take it off, you can wear it more simple, just one peplum. And the third way is to drape this piece around the neck, make sure it's centered, and then tie this behind the back, and you get this puff sleeve, flutter sleeve kind of situation. I think it's super cute. So there you have it. Next up is these pair of jeans. I got them from a thrift store. What I like about them is I like how structured they are. The jean is pretty thick, and so it's a nice structured pair of pants. So for these jeans, the hip fits really well, but the waist is a bit too big for me, and so I'm gonna take that in. So the legs are also a little bit too big, too wide for my and so I am going to turn into straight leg, and also hem a little bit on the bottom because they're a little too long for me. First, I measure how much of the waistband I need to get rid of and start seam ripping the waistband away from the pants. So I'm also taking out this seam here between the middle seam, and they are like triple seam, and that makes sense because it is, you want this part to be very secure so that there are no accidents or splitting of the jeans. yeah. Next up, I am going to create a new seam here. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I have created a new seam, and before committing to it, I'm going to try it on and see how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. So once I have this middle hem re-sewn, I'm gonna cut off the part of the waistband here that is excess and sew it back together and sew it back onto the rest of the body. So this is what the waist looks like after I put the waistband back together and back. I think it looks pretty good. So next up, I would want to take in this part to make the legs more narrow. To do that, I'm going to take a pair of jeans that fit me really well to give me some guideline for where to cut this pair. After marking the pants, I sew one side and try it on to see how it fits. I think it looks pretty good, but I like the legs to be a little narrow, so I might take in a 1/2 inch. And at this point, I'm gonna sew on the other side too. And we're done. So here's the before, and here's the after. I think the pants have come really nice. Fits me much better now. The waist looking good, and I really like the narrower leg pants. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope they turn out well. I don't know because I am recording this before I am chopping it up, and they could turn out pretty bad or pretty great. You probably know. Until next time, thank you for watching.